And we're now joined by ABC7 business commentator Richard Stern. And Richard, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's
nice to see you. And turquoise is in. Good work.
Hey, it is. All right. We're not here to talk fashion. We are here to talk fine, unfortunately.
Son of a gun.
I checked with the producers.
We'll talk about the stock market. It was kind of a mixed day. And for those of you paying attention out there, the NASDAQ's been on fire until today. Yes, indeed, until today. The NASDAQ Composite Index has set records for 3 days this week. That would be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So what did we do today? We posted the worst day in the last 3 weeks. The famous FANG stocks, which have been doing very, very well, not the case today. So what else happened? The Dow Jones Industrial Average, remember that? Well, guess what? Up the entire day, up by well over 100 points at the high of the day. Didn't close there, but a strong day nonetheless, and up from start to finish. So that's what we call a mixed market, and let's take a look at the figures from a mixed market. There you see the Dow. It was the star of the day, up 95 points, almost 0.4%, closing at 25,241.41. That on volume of 841 million shares. The NASDAQ for the day, as I say, the worst day in 3 weeks, down 54 points, 0.7%, closing at 7,635.07. That on volume of 1,934 million shares. And in between, a non-event. The S&P down less than 2 points, not even 0.1% at 2,770.37. Well, I don't know about you, but I've been a fan of peanut butter and jelly for a very long time. And guess what? You know the name Smuckers, S.J. Smuckers of Orrville, Ohio? Well, they make, guess what? Smuckers jelly and jams. Jif, you know that peanut butter name? I expect that you do. How about Folgers Coffee? Yes, you didn't think they owned it? Well, yes, indeed. They do own Folgers Coffee as well. Pillsbury, Crisco, keep going down the line. They own all those companies. They even make Milk-Bone dog biscuits. Well, all that being said, its shares were down by almost 6% today after the company said, I guess peanut butter and jelly is just not doing it. Our sales for the quarter are lower, and our expectations for the balance of the year also are lower. That kind of information, and the stock will fall 6%. And Adam, that's exactly what it did today. Not a pretty day for peanut butter and jelly, I'm afraid.
Well, to stay on the food topic, you have some news about McDonald's as well.
I think Big Macs are selling better than peanut butter and jelly. McDonald's has been very, very strong lately, up another 4.5% today. They're just doing everything right. That certainly seems to be the case.
All right, good food, bad food, the finances, they're doing what they're doing. Richard, thank you for joining us again.
Pleasure.